what are we looking at here? We've got solve each equation, check your answer. Um, I need to isolate the variable. What am I going to do first? Well, let's take a look what we've done here first. We've got this 3n that we are trying to get all of the n's onto the right-hand side, so we're taking away that 3n from both sides. Okay, so we take what was originally there, 3n minus 5, take away 3n. Okay, and on this side, take away what was originally there, take away 3n. Now we've got to simplify. These will combine to become just minus 5 because the n's cancel out. And these will combine to be 4n plus 11. So you've got negative 5 equals 4n plus 11. And now, since the n's are on the right side, what do we have to deal with? Now we've got to deal with this plus 11. What is the inverse operation of plus 11? It's minus 11. We've got to do it to both sides. So we take what's already there, minus 5, and then minus 11. We take what's already there, 4n plus 11, minus 11. Okay, these two parts will cancel out. These two will combine to be negative 16. We got negative 16 equals 4n. Now what's happening to n? It's being multiplied by 4. The inverse operation is divided by 4, so we divide both sides by 4. And when we simplify, we get negative 4 equals n. So to do the proof on this, we write the original equation, 3n minus 5 equals 7n plus 11, and we put parentheses wherever n was, and inside we put that negative 4 that we found it to be. Okay? And then we need to simplify. We need to simplify by first doing this multiplication. Okay, so 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Minus 5 equals this 7 minus 4 is negative 28 plus 11. And combining like terms, these constants, we say negative 12 minus 5, negative 17. Negative 28 plus 11 is negative 17, actually. So we get negative 17 equals negative 17, and that is done.